Hey family, it's Faith Day, where we encourage and increase our faith together. I want to share a word with you that God placed upon my heart during a time of prayer about what faith does. Faith attracts fire. Now, Deuteronomy 4 tells us our God is a consuming fire. God throughout the Bible tells us that fire has two purposes. One, it will serve as a judgment tool to destroy all non-believers and all demonic forces. And the second, fire can preserve. Fire is a cover. Fire is protection. Fire is a pillar of fire that goes ahead of you to make sure that you keep moving forward, regardless of the darkness, regardless of the night season, regardless of what the enemy is bringing against you. Fire, because God is a consuming fire. There are so many stories in the Bible where we see fire representing God's presence. Abraham, in ratifying the covenant, it tells us fire appeared and consumed his sacrifice. Mount Carmel, Elijah called on God, and the God who answered by fire was the true God. And what happened? The consuming fire appeared because our God is fire. On the day of Pentecost, the disciples were waiting for fire to appear, and they were waiting, praying patiently, going according to Leviticus 6:12, which tells us that the fire on the altar must never burn out. Now, you are that altar, you are that living sacrifice, and God is telling you that your prayer life should never burn out. There are things that are trying to choke that fire of prayer. There are situations that are trying to choke and strangle your prayer life. But I want to encourage someone who is near the end of their rope. Keep that fire burning. Keep your prayer life burning, because that prayer is going to attract the presence of God in the form of fire. No matter the enemies that surround you, no matter the attacks coming against you, remember Elisha and Gehazi. With their physical eyes, they could not see it, but spiritually, they were covered by chariots of fire, because God's presence is pulled and attracted to faith. Now, your faith is producing great fire. Ask any former demonic satanist. They'll tell you in the realm of the spirit, when they are looking at you, the believer who's listening to me, they see a fire over your head, or a complete cloud of fire surrounding you, because God's presence, throughout the Bible, we are told God's presence is shown through fire. So I want you to know your faith is attracting fire. Your faith is attracting the presence of God. And I just want to declare this word over you. May your faith produce that fire that destroys every opposing demonic force. May your faith cover you. May your faith propel you forward as a pillar of fire that goes ahead of you, that makes your path straight, that destroys everything that is not of God, because our God is a consuming fire. And I just want to encourage you, don't let that fire burn out. Keep the faith. Focus on God. Fight that nothing destroys your flame. And then God will ensure that He will go ahead of you and make sure you keep trusting, keep believing. Because you know what believing does? Believing burns out anything that is not of God. Because when the judgment of God comes, everything, doubt, fear, worry, He burns it out. God bless you. Keep the faith. It attracts